Editing worksheet data in MS Excel. Part 3. Inserting rows. It is often required to insert new rows, columns or blocks of cells in the worksheet for adding extra data. The steps to insert a new row are: Step 1. Click the row heading to select the row above which the new row is to be inserted. Step 2. Choose Insert Sheet Rows from the Insert menu. The selected row is shifted down and a new row is inserted at its place. Inserting columns. The steps to insert a new column are: Step 1. Click the column heading to select the column above which the new column is to be inserted. Step 2. Choose Insert Sheet Columns from the Insert option in the standard toolbar. Inserting cells. Sometimes, only a few cells may be required to be inserted and not an entire row or column. The steps to insert a new cell are: Step 1. Select the cells where you want the new blank cells to appear. Step 2. Choose cells from the Insert menu. Insert dialog box opens with the following option buttons. Shift cells right shifts the selected cells towards right and inserts the blank cells at its place. Shift cells down shifts the selected cells down and inserts the blank cells at its place. Entire row inserts a new row and the row containing the selected cells is shifted down. Entire column inserts a new column and the column containing the selected cells is shifted right. Step 3. Select appropriate option and click OK.